Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove email address from your Roblox account. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to remove your email address, first thing you need to log in into your account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.roblox.com. Since I'm already logged in, so as you can see that I've directed to the home page, and on this interface in the top right corner, click on the gear icon and then click on settings. So as you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to my settings, and under it you'll be able to see account info. In order to remove email from your Roblox account, first thing you need to make sure that you've already verified your current email. Otherwise, you'll not be able to remove it. In case you haven't verified your email, then you need to click on verify, which will be right in the corner. And after that, you need to open up your email, click on the verification link. Once you've done that, you've successfully verified your account. And now you'll need to head back to the settings page once again. You need to click on this icon located right in the corner. In order to remove your email, you'll not be able to do it unless and until if you add a secondary email. So then type in a new email address that you want to add it to your Roblox. Once you're done typing your email, click on change email. And for the confirmation, you'll need to type in the password associated with the Roblox account. Now you need to verify this particular email and then click on OK. Now you'll need to open up your Gmail. As you open up your Gmail, you'll be able to see the verification link. So just click on the email and then scroll down and click on verify email. So that is how you can remove email from your Roblox account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.